These are the halls of Grandestino. How cool are they? They're not like a straight line. It's like a zigzag. So you go like, woo! And then another row. I think it's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I really like it. I like the paintings because some of them have hidden Mickeys.
Yeah.
I'm actually trying to find one so I can show you. Here's one.
Let's see. Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, some of them have them. I think they're cute.
Yeah. Some nice seating area here. Look at this. Ooh, hi.
Sorry.
This is the coffee bar, right?
Yeah, right below us is the Barcelona Lounge, and they have coffee.
Lounge. Beautiful views. We got the front desk. Work area.
I just noticed that all the Christmas decorations are gone.
Oh, yeah.
There are Christmas trees here.
Oh, yeah.
They're gone. They still have the green and red. I don't know if that's specifically for Christmas.
Yeah, I think it's always that
and then
one.
outside they had bells.
Yeah, they're gone.
It's down. Were you all here yesterday?
Yeah, in like one day. It's gone.
It's gone.
Well, you're right.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah. No sun.
Yeah. Good morning.
And this is a short walk too, which is cool.
Oh my gosh, I know. That's a really good part. But we did notice too, and again, we've never stayed here at all, in Coronado in general.
Yeah.
So we did notice that when we were coming back from parks on the bus, that there are multiple bus stops throughout Coronado Springs. So it's not like if you're all the way on the other side of the resort, you don't have to walk all the way here
it's true.
to get the bus because there are multiple stops. I think Caribbean Beach does the same thing. Actually, a bunch of resorts do the same thing. Port Orleans, they all have multiple stops.
And there's like a ramp here, you could take that, or you could take the steps here, which is what we do.
Yeah.
And the bus stop is literally right down there. So it's a very short walk, which is good because the Valley Resorts, you really do walk a lot. So
yeah, the Valley Resorts, there is only one bus stop. So if you are put on the other side of the resort, you do have to walk. Pop Century, though, does have the Skyliner connected to it, and so does Art of Animation. So if you are going to like Hollywood Studios or Epcot, that's actually the only way you could take transportation. Good morning in front of the Magic Kingdom Scrim.
You won't see that again.
Well, hopefully not. We were able to get a last-minute park reservation for Magic Kingdom. We are leaving later today, but we always end our trips here.
Yeah. And
we just didn't feel right not doing it, so here we are.
It's a cold one today.
It's 48 degrees right now, but it's also 8:45 in the morning. So we are going to try to get some rides in. We'll see how many.
Yeah, one or two.
Yeah, the wait times are low right now. That's why we're like, let's do that first, and then we're gonna spend some time on Main Street. Yeah.
It's fun.
So let's check out Haunted Mansion first and see what that wait is.
I can't wait.
Okay.
I got my Haunted Mansion sweatshirt on. Is that it says sweatshirt?
What?
Do you realize that it says sweatshirt?
I'm rubbing off on you.
Maybe my lips are starting to freeze together.
You didn't have coffee. Well, no, I lied. You did have coffee.
Yeah.
Never mind. Not an excuse.
No.
Oh, that's all you, though.
Maybe not enough coffee.
I can't help you. We can get Joffrey's.
Oh, that's tempting.
It is.
Very tempting.
They still have the Christmas tree up.
That's good.
And the Christmas decorations.
Yeah, because at our hotel they took it down today, so.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised they haven't yet.
Yeah.
I would have thought by at least like January 6th, everything would have been down, just because that's the Epiphany. So then after that is when everything comes down. But not Magic Kingdom.
No.
They're still in Christmas mode.
Yeah, there it is.
And I'm fine with it.
Woo. I'm so happy we came back here.
I know, me too.
Alright, ready to see the castle again?
I always have the same feeling every time we round this corner. Whether we were here yesterday or not, or 2 days ago, whatever.
Boom!
Oh.
Bye!
The music's the best to me. Yay! Where are we going?
Is that where we were going?
Oh, damn it.
We have a line for Sleepy Hollow already just to get one of the waffles. Oh my gosh.
Walk on.
Walk on. Walk on.
I don't see a line.
No, I don't either, which is a good sign.
Maybe
I
early.
don't even think there would be right now. I feel like the only one that has a line right now is Mine Train.
Yeah, maybe early in the morning we should always come. You know?
I mean, I guess so.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little different.
Yeah.
Next trip, so
A little. Just a little bit.
a lot different. A lot.
But that's okay.
Of course, it's a new experience for everybody.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, of course, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. Another little kid at Disney. Number
I'm
3.
excited. I hope they like Disney. What if they don't like Disney?
They might not.
Oh, I'm not going to Six Flags, so.
Then we disown them.
No, no. Never.
Okay. Here we are.
Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue on the tour.
If you want to.
They don't have an elevator. Not here.
And no flash pictures, please. Spirits are vitally sensitive. Spirits are vitally sensitive.
Stuck.
Greatest ghost writers, the latest.
Well, at least we're stuck here. This is pretty cool. Alright. Well, this is awkward.
Hi, guys.
I can't see you, but hi. Huh?
Are those images or are those actual things?
No, I think they're images.
We will continue on to just
What are you gonna get? We got Phineas again. Whoa! Whoa! It's back.
Oh, good.
We always get Phineas lately.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join us.
That was fun.
Yeah. It's always so dark.
I know. I feel like they made that ride darker, which is like weird to say. But
Yeah. There's some parts.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
There's some parts that are like too dark though, where you can't even see what's in front of you. But
Well, I thought so when we were here the other day. I thought the same thing, but I thought it was just because like it was like really bright out.
yeah.
But and like our eyes didn't adjust. But I feel like we used to be able to see like the Haunted Mansion wallpaper, like you know the part with the
Yeah,
eyes, the flashing eyes, and then it's just the wallpaper. I feel like you were able to see that. I didn't see that today. Like I couldn't see
I
it.
think it depends on how your eyes adjust every time.
But it's cloudy today. That's why I was
Yeah,
surprised. But I
me
mean,
too.
whatever. It's still awesome. So our other favorite ride here is
Pirates.
yeah. So we're gonna go into Pirates.
Mr. Cluckin, the gentlemen want the rum, don't ya, boys? Yeah!